Imagine getting 10 hours back every single week. These Amazon kitchen gadgets make cooking faster, prep easier, and cleanup simpler. But wait for number 7. This tiny gadget could save you the most time. Upgrade your kitchen with this 4-in-1 colander with bowl set. Perfect for washing rice, pasta, fruits, and vegetables, it works as a strainer, cleaner, and serving bowl in one. Stylish, durable, and easy to use, it's an aesthetic cooking essential and a thoughtful gift for any modern kitchen. Cook fast and efficiently with the AMSCHEF Double Induction Cooktop. This 1800W portable stove features 2 burners with a removable non-stick griddle, perfect for any meal. Enjoy precise cooking with 9 power levels, a 99-minute timer, and easy sensor touch controls. Sleek in iron gray, it's compact, powerful, and ideal for kitchens, apartments, or on-the-go cooking. The automatic grape peeler machine is a smart kitchen tool designed for quick and easy peeling of small produce. Perfect for grapes, garlic, and cherry tomatoes, this cordless peeler removes skins smoothly with minimal effort. Its compact, user-friendly design makes it safe and simple to use for everyday cooking. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it offers convenient, hands-free operation without messy cleanup. Save time in the kitchen and enjoy perfectly peeled fruits and vegetables in seconds. Upgrade your kitchen with the Ninja DCT45112 in one smart double oven, designed for maximum versatility and convenience. The innovative flex door lets you access the top or full oven easily, while smart finish and a built-in thermometer ensure perfect results every time. Enjoy rapid top convection and powerful air frying on the bottom for crispy, flavorful meals. With Flavor Seal technology and a sleek stainless steel design, this oven delivers professional cooking at home. Enjoy real espresso anywhere with this portable self-heating espresso machine. Designed for travel, it heats water automatically and brews rich espresso using ground coffee or capsules. USB-C charging makes it easy to power on the go, while the all-in-one kit includes a carrying bag and stand for convenience. Perfect for camping, office, or daily travel, fresh espresso anytime, anywhere. Air fryer egg molds. Start your mornings right with the 4PCS air fryer egg molds, your new go-to for quick, fun, and healthy cooking. Made from high-quality non-stick silicone, these molds are perfect for eggs, muffins, toast cups, or mini pancakes. They're reusable, heat-resistant, and super easy to clean, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Each mold comes with a lid to prevent spills and keep your air fryer spotless. Whether you're meal prepping or making breakfast on the go, these air fryer accessories make cooking fast, neat, and delicious. Upgrade your kitchen with these colorful, must-have silicone egg molds today. Make fresh prep quick and easy with the Cuisinart 3-quart salad spinner. Designed to wash, spin, and dry salad greens, fruits, and vegetables in one simple tool, it removes excess water fast for crisp results. The smooth spinning action is easy to use and perfect for everyday meals. Compact yet efficient, it's a must-have kitchen essential for healthier, fresher cooking. Create delicious crepes, pancakes, and more with the NutriChef electric crepe maker griddle. Its 12-inch non-stick surface ensures even cooking and easy cleanup, while adjustable temperature control gives you perfect results every time. With LED indicators and included wooden spatula and batter spreader, it's everything you need for quick, hassle-free cooking at home. Make fruit prep effortless with the Schwubener 3.5-inch apple slicer. This professional-grade tool features 8 super-sharp stainless steel blades that slice and core apples quickly and evenly in one motion. The ergonomic design gives you a comfortable grip, while the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Perfect for snacks, baking, or meal prep, enjoy perfectly cut apples every time. Chop, grind, and prep faster with the KOIOS 500-watt food processor. Featuring 2 8-cup bowls and dual bi-level blades, it delivers powerful, even chopping every time. Perfect for meat, nuts, onions, garlic, and baby food, this compact electric chopper saves time and effort, making everyday cooking simple, quick, and efficient. Chop ingredients quickly and effortlessly with the pampered chef food chopper. Perfect for vegetables, onions, garlic, fruits, and nuts, this handy manual chopper saves time in the kitchen. Compact, easy to use, and dishwasher safe, it delivers fast, even chopping with simple press-down action, making meal prep cleaner and more convenient. Banana chocolate filler. Meet the Banana Loca, the fun and clever kitchen gadget that cores and fills a banana while it's still in its peel. In just seconds, you can create delicious stuffed banana treats with chocolate, peanut butter, honey, or any filling you love. It's quick, clean, and perfect for snacks, lunchboxes, or creative desserts. Great for families, food lovers, and anyone who enjoys a healthy twist with a tasty surprise. With Banana Loca, snack time just got way more fun. Make opening jars, bottles, and cans effortless with the 2026 4-in-1 jar opener. Adjustable and made from durable stainless steel, it's perfect for seniors and anyone with arthritis. This versatile kitchen tool fits multiple sizes, giving you a safe, easy grip and saving time and effort in the kitchen. Cooking torch. Safe, sturdy creme brulee torch. The safety lock could prevent accidental ignition. Also, the ergonomic design provides comfort to your hand and keep away from the flame. The aluminum alloy material adopted makes it more resistant and sturdy. Refillable portable. This butane torch lighter can be refilled after running out of use. With 3 butane adapters included, it's compatible with all types of butane tanks, whether with long or short nozzle. This mini butane torch is small and lightweight, easy to hold. Butane gas not included. Versatile, you can easily control the flame temperature according to your needs, max 1,371 degrees Celsius per 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, such as caramelizing food, soldering DIY jewelry, cooking, barbecue, baking, brulee, cream, DIY soldering, bar cocktails, camping, and craft. Prep vegetables faster with the 2-in-1 pepper seed Cora remover. Designed for quick, clean cuts, it easily removes seeds from bell peppers, zucchini, tomatoes, and more. Simple to use and efficient, this handy kitchen tool saves time and makes everyday cooking easier. Keep your kitchen drawers neat and customizable with the Kigley 3-piece wood pegboard drawer organizer set. Designed with 32 adjustable wooden pegs, this smart system lets you create flexible compartments to securely hold dishes, plates, pots, containers, and utensils. The sturdy wooden construction adds a natural, stylish touch while keeping cookware from sliding around. Easy to rearrange and sized to fit most drawers, it's a simple way to maximize space and stay organized. Grind your spices and herbs effortlessly with the Mamba electric grinder. This USB rechargeable, portable 1G metal grinder makes seasoning quick and easy. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for fresh herbs, spices, and even small seeds in the kitchen. Quick to use, easy to clean, and built for convenience. Fresh flavors anytime, anywhere. Make cleaning faster and easier with the Delta Faucet glass rinser for kitchen sinks. Designed for bars and kitchens, it quickly rinses glasses, bottles, and cups with powerful water jets. The Spot Shield stainless finish resists fingerprints and water spots, keeping it looking clean and modern. A sleek, space-saving accessory that adds convenience and style to any sink. Slice, shred, and chop with ease using the Yucaba cabbage kitchen knife. Designed for fast, uniform cuts, it's perfect for coleslaw, sauerkraut, and fresh salads. Sharp, durable, and easy to handle, this all-in-one slicer saves time and delivers perfect results every time. Cook fast and easy with the Dezen Hot Pot Electric with Steamer. This upgraded 1.5-liter mini pot features a non-stick sauté pan and adjustable power for perfect heat control. Ideal for ramen, steak, eggs, fried rice, oatmeal, and soup, it's compact, versatile, and perfect for quick meals anytime. KitchenAid Large Capacity Dish Rack. Spacious design for large loads. This full-size dish rack offers ample space for plates, mugs, glasses, bowls, utensils, and even larger items like pots and pans. Please refer to product dimensions to ensure an ideal fit for your countertop. Non-slip, stable base. Equipped with soft, anti-slip feet, this dish rack stays securely in place, protecting surfaces and providing stability even on smooth countertops. Rust-resistant, durable coating. Constructed with heavy-duty satin-coated steel wires, this dish rack is designed to resist rusting and stand up to daily kitchen use. To maintain optimal rust resistance, dry the rack and drain board after use. Improved angled drainage system. The angled drain board directs water straight into the sink, preventing pooling and keeping countertops dry. The board and rack are precisely aligned for smooth water flow and easy cleaning. Make food prep faster and easier with the Supmakin Fresh Meat Slicer. This 17-in-1 stainless steel manual meat cutter lets you slice chicken, beef, or pork evenly with adjustable thickness options of 2 or 4 millimeters. Built for precision and durability, it includes a sharp cleaver kitchen knife for clean, effortless cuts. Perfect for jerky making or everyday cooking, it delivers consistent results while saving time in any kitchen. Jar revolving countertop spice rack. Set includes 1 rotating spice rack and 20 pre-filled glass spice jars with removable sifter and labeled black caps. 20 essential spices. Includes basil, bay leaves, celery salt, chives, cilantro, coriander, crushed mint, dill weed, fennel seed, herbs de Provence, Italian seasoning, marjoram, oregano, parsley, pizza seasoning, rosemary, savory seasoning, sea salt, sea salt. Stylish storage. The rotating, polished stainless steel rack keeps spices neat and easily accessible on countertops or in cabinets. Free spice refills for 5 years. Eligible for 5 years of free spice refills of your choice. Keep your snacks fresh anytime, anywhere with the Mini Bag Sealer 2-pack. This 2-in-1 handheld sealer and cutter lets you reseal plastic bags in seconds, locking in freshness and flavor. It's portable, rechargeable, and features a built-in magnet for easy storage on your fridge. Perfect for chips, snacks, and food storage. No bulky machines, no waste. Simple, smart, and super convenient for everyday use. Manual can opener. Strong and powerful stainless steel blade. Finally, a more powerful can opener. Sharp and durable 100% stainless steel cutting wheel will easily puncture all types of cans. Rust-resistant for long-lasting use. Heavy-duty construction for easier opening. Effortless can opening is here. The can opener features an extra large turn knob that allows you to easily open the can with little effort, so you work with the motion instead of against it. Also includes stainless steel construction for a seamless cut and oversized handles that make for an easier grip. Extra smooth cut. The can opener easily latches to the lip of your cans and locks securely in place to help provide a clean, smooth, continuous cut. Upgrade your kitchen with this 2-in-1 oil sprayer and dispenser, designed for healthier, smarter cooking. The 17 ounces light-blocking glass bottle protects olive oil from sunlight, keeping it fresh longer. Switch easily between fine mist spraying and smooth pouring, perfect for salads, frying, air frying, and grilling. Made from food-grade, BPA-free materials, it's safe and durable for everyday use. Plus, the 8 included oil stickers help you label and organize with ease. Control oil usage, reduce waste, and cook like a pro. Simple, clean, and efficient. Experience movie theater popcorn right at home with the Great Northern Popcorn Stovetop Popper. This 6-quart aluminum popcorn maker features a smooth hand crank and built-in stir paddle to ensure every kernel pops perfectly. The vented lid lets steam escape, keeping your popcorn light and crispy. Durable, easy to use, and perfect for family movie nights or parties, this stovetop popper makes fresh, golden popcorn in minutes. Just add kernels, crank, and enjoy. Potato ricer. Mashing potatoes made easy. Don't you wish you can create perfectly smooth and fluffy mashed potato with less effort? With our Priority Chef Ricer Masher kitchen tool, you can achieve a creamy, heavenly dish quickly and conveniently. Simply squeeze on the long handle of our potato press for perfect mash. Large deep basket for quicker ricing. Holding a max capacity of 15 ounces, 3 mm ricer holes, you will have your mashed potatoes prepared quicker, yet finer output than using other kitchen gadgets. You can also use it for other veggies like soft carrots, turnips, yams, and even use a baby food masher. Easy cleanup, top-rack dishwasher safe. Crafted from 100% rust-proof materials, the Priority Chef Potato Ricer is resistant to stains, corrosion, and deformation. And with its non-stick material, the spuds will simply slide off. Any food residue is easily rinsed off with running water. It's easy to use and easy to clean. Make food prep faster and cleaner with the Ruebo Baggy Rack Holder Set. These sturdy stands hold Ziploc and freezer bags open for easy filling during meal planning and storage. Perfect for reducing spills and waste. Each pack includes 4 reusable holders in a fresh green color. Simple, practical, and a must-have kitchen organizer. Create adorable Japanese rice balls at home with this onigiri mold set. Made from natural bamboo, the medium-sized wooden molds help you shape perfect onigiri quickly and easily. Ideal for DIY bento lunches, picnics, and family snacks, this kit makes cooking fun for kids and adults. Simple, traditional, and beautifully handmade. Cook like a pro with the Viking non-stick double-burner griddle. Measuring 19 by 11 inches, this hard anodized grill pan delivers even heat and non-stick performance. With sturdy handles, it's oven-safe and works on gas, ceramic, or electric stovetops. Perfect for pancakes, grilled sandwiches, and more. Easy cooking, effortless cleanup. Serve crowd-pleasing meals with the Elite Gourmet EWMSD 325, our Maximatic Triple Slow Cooker Buffet Server. This versatile set includes 3 2.5-quart dishwasher-safe oval ceramic pots and convenient lid rests, so you can cook different dishes at once and keep them warm on the buffet table. With adjustable temperature controls, it's perfect for entertaining, potlucks, or family dinners. The bold red design adds a pop of color to any kitchen while making meal prep and serving easier than ever. Organize and serve in style with the Guidery Acacia Utensil Caddy. Crafted from natural wood, this multipurpose countertop organizer features divided compartments and a sturdy handle for easy carrying. Perfect for parties, picnics, kitchen counters, or trips, it keeps flatware, napkins, and utensils neatly stored, functional, stylish, and ready for any occasion.